shocked by this incident, so I'll just share it with everyone here. I was traveling to Bangalore by Air India. So there was a very young boy who was sitting just beside me. His name was Shantanu. So we.
Sitting next to you only.
Oh,
So this is
that's an incident.
This is the Air India flight.
So his name was Shantanu and he was like very young. He was 19 years, 19,
also
20
very young.
years. Because we were like traveling from Kolkata to Mumbai and then Mumbai to Bangalore in the same flight, so we started having a few conversations. So from there I came to know that he was a palm reader, which I generally I don't believe in all this. But one incident that he told that like in 2021 you had an accident in a swimming pool and you were saved by one of your colleague in your office, which it was a pinpoint. So from that day I started believing a little in astrology because it was a shocking turn for me because it was 2021 and I remember it was April. We are having a branch party because it was just post-COVID and we are having a very close branch party in HDFC in someone's bungalow there. And really one of my colleagues, he pushed me in the swimming pool and one of my very good friend, he saved me from there. Otherwise, a big accident would have happened.
So are you sure this Shantanu is not a friend of the one who pushed you?
That I'm not sure.
Okay, if that
But
is
he's
not
very young, he's like 19.
Ajay, so if could be his brother, cousin,
Yeah.
anyone. So if
Maybe.
that's not the case, any one of you interested in Shantanu's number? I would be interested in his number. Please pass on his
Definitely, I will.
number. So from next month onwards, I know, like, I can give a perfect projection to Vineet whenever he's asking for the month-end projections.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks, Megha.
Thank you, sir.
Shantanu Paul, you were born in which country?
India, sir. India.
Are you sure? Now, your boss keeps telling me some other name. Anyway, that's not the question. Where would you live if you had no ties to any specific place?
Firstly, I would like to thanks, and it's my privilege to be here today. So this question, where we are to live, so I would like to give you a lyrical answer to this, if you can.
I want to give you
A lyrical answer. I'll just
lyrical answer.
Yeah, I mean, I'll just sing a song.
Okay.
If you can bear with me. ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो वो बचपन का सावन, वो बचपन
वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी.
हाँ, exactly. So I would like to spend my life in a village. I want to see a country life, and I would like to stay in India itself because I can see a lot of values, respect for each others, and if I can bring some change in our village life, and I want to be close to the nature. I mean,
Okay.
that's,
Okay.
yeah, thank you.
Chalo, very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Good answer. Himanto,
Yes, sir.
you had your dinner?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Good. So what would you like to have dinner tonight? And, no, sorry, not what. Who would you like to have your dinner tonight with?
Sir, first of all, thank you, and thank you to everyone for this wonderful moment. And secondly, though numbers is very high here, it's not possible with all, but definitely I would like to have this opportunity with my superior, with you also,
With your?
with my superior, super boss, and my colleagues. Yeah.
Hey, Sanjay bhai, Mr. Sanjay Sen. Not here. So it's evident that appraisal time is knocking. भाई फाइल चला गया, अब फिर से बोल, Who would you like to have your dinner with?
Definitely, sir. Suppose, definitely, honestly, I would have to like with my only. But here, though family is not here, so I would like to have with my boss. Akib sir is there, Anirban sir is there.
So Anirban sir already had his dinner. Now I did not have my dinner, so we'll
Definitely,
like
sir.
share the same table.
Definitely,
Okay, if you're okay
definitely,
with
sir.
that.
Definitely,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Basu ma'am. So imagine you have a yacht of your own. What would you name it and why? Yeah, Sun. Again, I gave him the answer. The appraisal file is closed. Don't expect a bonus which can help you buy a yacht. It's imaginary.
Good evening, sir,
Yeah.
and everyone. I wish I had a yacht, but of course I can imagine. I would name it Virgo, as it is my zodiac sign.
Oh, that's my zodiac sign too.
Oh, I did not know that, sir. And Virgo symbolizes meticulousness, purity, a deep connection to nature. You know, all these qualities I would like to aspire to have in my adventure in the sea while I go for my yacht. Thank you.
So, will you be renting out the yacht?
No, sir. It will be absolutely for my own pleasure.
Chalo. Bad luck for us. Because I can't buy one. If you had one, we thought that if you can take it on rent. Mr. Chatterjee,
Good evening.
what are
boss.
those things you are too old to do, but you will still enjoy?
Was something that I'm too old to do and I would love to do because I'm from that background would be
Louder.
maybe joining the army. That was always the ambition, but I don't think it's going to happen this
You and I-
lifetime. I've done my schooling from Fort William and I was always associated with.
So you're already in an army, in Mr. Sudeep Moitro's army.
Yeah, so I am getting a taste of it, but without the uniform,
Without the uniform and without the arms.
without the arms.
Fighting battle all the time. And
Fighting
that
battle.
in Wood Street.
Yeah, so
Biggest battleground.
and I'm enjoying it. So
Chalo good. Jagdeep Singh. Nervous?
गुड इवनिंग सर वैसे नर्वस
क्या? ये सर क्या?
सर नर्वस थोड़ा हूँ सर नर्वस हूँ सर
Who in your life do you look up to and why?
दैट इज ओनली माई फादर whom I love so much and I don't know means कि a bad thing happened in my life कि he used to love मतलब he means I was the best son of my father and on the time of COVID he called me up and I was in a VC in HDFC Bank and that was the last call he called and he just walked away on that particular day. Means he just walked away from his business, his life and I just missed that number. That is the only thing and he is the person, a hard-working person, a really hard-working person, and I believe कि I just walk on his path and I just give my best and this is my 6th month in Indus and I had never taken a leave. That is the only thing, sir. And he is there in this world. I don't know where he is. So that is the only thing, sir.
So I'm sure he's watching you from somewhere and I'm sure if he's watching you and now seeing you like where you have reached and what you have achieved for yourself,
Really, sir.
I think he'll be super happy.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to all of you
Thank you.
once again.
Thank you, sir.
So before lovely interaction. But I think before we end, there's
There's a
a
special-
little more custom left. So Vicky, over to you.
So there is something special for the top 3 influencers over here. So can we have the crowns on stage? For
So
the
as
top
it was
3?
mentioned in the ZHRC PPT, within the influencers also, the top 3 will be getting the crown. So the top 3 are Shomalika, Saurav and
Jagdeep.
Jagdeep.
So this is the last one. Can we have a big round of applause?
खुशहाली वैभवशाली समृद्धियाँ निराली